Why do new Forex traders struggle to learn the basics? For many, it's not just confusion. It's the frustration of feeling lost, jumping from one strategy to another and wasting time on expensive courses. They scroll through endless videos only to find conflicting advice. This leaves them overwhelmed and unsure of where to start. The real problem? It's not a lack of effort. Most beginners lack a clear path. They're bombarded with unrealistic profit claims and they don't grasp risk management. This confusion leads to hesitation and emotional decisions that cost money. Common solutions often fail. They don't address the real cause. Instead of clarity, they add to the chaos. But there's a better way. The Forex Wealthcode free trading workshop offers a structured introduction. It covers market fundamentals, trading psychology, and risk management. This helps beginners build confidence before risking real money. Just ask Sarah. She found the workshop easy to follow. She learned key concepts and felt ready to open her demo account. Or Mike, who improved his trading discipline and now feels more in control. Imagine feeling confident, knowing you have the basics down. Picture making informed decisions instead of second-guessing yourself. This knowledge can elevate your status, making you feel like a pro. Click below to discover how we help beginners gain confidence and clarity with the Forex Wealthcode free trading workshop.